So right now we are entering the circuit house of Multan. It's beautiful, it's palatial. We're heading, it's beautiful, it's raining as I told you. So rain has added to the beauty of this palatial circuit house. So the boys are enjoying some VIP protocol in the background. Yes, we have to stop the vehicle here. Friends, a very good afternoon to you all at the Circuit House Multan, where we are really enjoying like anything, but we are also missing some of our friends who have not joined us. But at my right is the gentleman whom I hate now because he has really troubled me a lot during the way the driver was driving and the way he was making my fun. Mr. Irfan, your take please. So are you happy with the tour?
Yes, of course. I am so much happy.
Are you satisfied with the driving?
Definitely. I like this driving.
Okay. You can see that he is saying everything that hurts me. Shayan is there. Shayan, you're okay? You're fine?
Enjoying.
That's fine. Are you enjoying?
Yes, enjoying.
We have still a lot way to go. Alright? So we have Shibli Bhai as well. Hasan Bhai.
First of all, thanks to Faizan Bhai who made this such a beautiful journey for us, and we are really enjoying lovely weather, lovely journey, and lot of.
Thank you everyone, please. And Mr. Malik Sahab, you cannot show yourself. I know you are the movie maker, but even then, I thank you for really tolerating me.